Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account public. When you make your account public, everyone can see photos and videos on your Instagram account. And this is super easy. Okay, let's go to the video. Open Instagram app. Then you can see profile icon. Tap on that. Then you can see three lines on the top right side. Tap on that. Then tap on settings. Then tap on privacy. Here you can see private account and it has enabled. So to make your account public, you need to disable it. Tap on it. Okay, it says anyone will be able to see your photos and videos, and this won't change who can tag, mention or message you. And finally says all pending follow requests will be approved unless you delete them. Okay, tap on switch to public. Now it is disabled. Now your account is public. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.